We build tools that make Webflow even more powerful. Finsweet Extension is used by more than 30,000 developers in Webflow. Dev mode. Quickly update your HTML and CSS using a code editor inside Webflow. Some use cases. Instantly find classes, attributes, tags, and styles. Hit Ctrl or Command plus F and type what you want to find. Quickly add attributes without the need to select manually the elements. For example, add attributes list load to your CMS list. Type fs list element equals list, and fs list load equals more. Done. Bulk text change. Imagine you have a lot of buttons in your page and you would like to change all of them at the same time. Select the parent element. Find the text content of the button. Select it, Ctrl or Command plus D, change the text. Save changes. Done. Bulk classes change. Now imagine you have all these titles of the page with heading style H2, and you would like to change them to the class heading style H3. Ctrl or Command plus F. Add the class you want to find. Now, add the class you want to replace, and click to replace all. Save changes. Done. Let's check out the CSS editor. You can easily see all CSS styles per breakpoint in one view. You can also see properties suggestions, and even use Emmet shortcuts. And of course, you can also copy your page code to get AI suggestions, review it, or debug with your team. Pretty cool, huh? Finsweet Extension is free for most features. Some premium features, indicated by this lock icon, are free to use until you reach the limit of 10 uses per month. Go to Apps and install the new Finsweet Extension. We're just getting started. What features do you want in your workflow? We're building them as fast as the Webflow API lets us. Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.